Hello friends, welcome back to Python and mobile phone programming series. In the previous class, we have discussed about assignment operators in the Python, and in this class, we will discuss about logical operators. So you can see here in this image, we have three logical operators in Python, that is and, or, and not. Why do we use them? We use logical operators to combine one or more than one or two statements in Python. Okay, so you can see here. So we have one expression like 5 less than 2, and we are combining that with the and here. And after that, again, we are checking 5 is greater than 3 or not. Okay, so again, the output of these logical operators will be a Boolean data type, that is true or false. Okay, so what is the use of them? I mean, definitely we will come to know that when we actually write the programs in Python. Okay, so once again, there are three logical operators and, or, and not. Okay, so in our schools, we might have learned about this true table, which is like true and true is true. Okay, true and false is false, false and true is false. So the same thing will be applied here as well. Okay, and the or is like if you have two expressions, either of them is true, then the output will be true. So you can see the example here. 5 is less than 2, it's a false statement, or 5 is greater than 3, that's a true. So that's why the output is true here. And when you come to the not operator, okay, the not operator will reverse the output of a particular statement. That means if the statement is evaluated to true, then the not will convert that into false. If it is false, then it will convert into a true. Okay, so let's write a simple program and see that. Okay, so let's take something, the same example. You have x is equal to 10. Okay, and now y is equal to 20. If you say x is greater than y, what is the output here? The output will be false. But when you apply not on this one, okay, let's wrap this expression in the brackets so that it will be easy to read. See, now you see you got the output as false here. That means the not operator will reverse the output of a mathematical or statement. So let's try one example with and here. Okay, so I will take a bracket here. So 10 is greater than 3, and another one like 34 is less than 99. So in this case, we have two statements and we are combining that with and here. That means if both the statements, okay, if both the statements are true, then the output of this complete statement will be true, otherwise it will be false. Let's see that. See here, we got true here because both the statements are true here. But if in case if one of them is false, okay, if one of them is false, the output will be false here. Okay, so let me copy this statement and try that again for the negative result. I mean, for the, see here, I will do something like this. Okay, so 34 is less than 9, so which is false. So the output of this entire statement will be false. See here, you got the false. But when you come to or operator, this is different from and. Okay, so in case of and, both the statements has to be true, then only the output will be true. But whereas in case of or, if either of the statements are true, then the output will be true. So let's take this same example here. Okay, so instead of and, I will use or. Okay, so I'm copying the statement and I will paste it here. Instead of and, I will use or. So let's run this statement. Let's close down this add. See here, we got the true as output. Okay, so that's about logical operators, guys. I hope you got the idea of all these operators in Python. And as I promised, in the next video we will be writing a program using all these things that we have learned so far in this programming series. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do like and share this video with your friends.